What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am out at Bluff Knoll in the Stirling Range National Park with my boy Dion.
Yo!
And we're here for a sunrise summit. And yeah, we got up at 4 a.m. at the Yard Up Shearers Quarters, like 20 k's north of Bluff Knoll. And we're here to summit early. And we've got a big day ahead of us as well. Looking at doing another mountain or two and heading down to Albany later today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's going to be epic. We've almost summited Bluff Knoll. We can see the orange of the sunrise peeking over the horizon. We are inside some huge clouds. This is going to be insane. It is looking like it's going to be a good one. Alright, we made it to the summit. This has got to be the best summit of Bluff Knoll I've ever had. Look at these clouds. Sun rising behind us, clouds are rolling over the mountain. Literally unreal. How's it, Dion?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby. Got a few drone shots, so that should be epic. And, water climb. We're going to enjoy this for a while and then head back down. Damn, not a bad start to the day. Yo, we made it down pretty much, just about to hit the car park. The view from down here is epic as well, up onto the summit behind me. Good little climb, and now on to our next adventure for the day. We're in it down here for one full day, so we're gonna make the most of it. See what we find. All right, we're down at the Prongerups. We're gonna climb up to Castle Rock, which is a first for me. Check out this Granite Skywalk. Yo! Second hike for the day. We just did Bluff Knoll a couple hours ago. And now we'll do this little 4K return trek. And see how it is up there. It's supposed to be a wicked view, so that's gonna be good. Then we're gonna head down to Albany for the Arvo and find a bloody pie.
A pie!
We've been looking for pies the whole trip. Everywhere we go, sold out, or like the last one gets bought. We want a pie. We bloody earned it. But yeah, let's see how this one goes. All right, we finished Castle Rock and did the skywalk up there, which was wicked. Didn't get the drone up or anything, but it was actually really nice. And that was one of the nicer trails I've been on.
Yep, good trail.
Beautiful trail.
Well,
I was feeling good, so I went for the downhill segment record on Strava, and I'm pretty sure I got it, so that was good. Hectic rundown, but yeah, good spot. We are heading to Albany now, and I could see the coast from up on the skywalk there, so I'm so keen to go see some blue water. And yeah, it's going to be a good second half of the day. It's only just hit lunchtime, so we're going to try and find a pie in Albany and then keep adventuring. And yeah, hope you guys are enjoying. Pies, bro. Pies, bro. All right, we got our pies. We found a wicked bakery down in Albany. They had
best pies in Albany.
Yeah. So we're happy. We're gonna go do some coastal exploration, just see some blue water for a bit, and decide where we're gonna watch the sunset, whether it's back at the accommodation or down here. But it's a good day.
Yeah, bro.
Mountains, pies. Pumped. We're at the Gap and Natural Bridge down in beautiful Albany. We're just hitting up a few beaches and some spots with some blue water. Get our fix before we head back to the accommodation. But man, it's been an awesome day. Just gonna enjoy this while it lasts. Okay, we just got back to Yard Up Shearers Quarters, epic accommodation. We got views of the ranges behind us. We just got the fire going. We're about to get a barbecue rocking for dinner. Sun setting on one side, moon rising on the other. It's been an epic day. Hey, Dion? Couple
100%.
mountains.
Couple
mountains conquered.
Couple kilometers.
Some coastal exploration as well. It's been a good day, about as much as you can fit into one day, and yeah, it was wicked. So thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. Woo.